This video is on how to repair this defective part right here, which is the latch for your oven. Whenever you do cleaning on it, it will sometimes get stuck, right? And how you fix that is very simple. You remove this screw right here, right after unplugging the stove, of course. I'm not going to do it right now because I'm not going to go that far into it, but at least I can show you the overall, right? So this panel right here, right? You're going to remove all of these bolts right here, all of them, right? And the modules down there, you're going to, after you remove the silver ones, you're going to pull this tray out. Then you're going to remove all the black ones, right? And then there's one more underneath here and one more underneath there. Once you remove all of these, you're then going to pull this out, and you're going to slide this out. It's going to be a little wiggle you need to do. Once you remove it, then you can remove, where'd the piece go? Then you can remove this wonderful piece right here. And inside of here, there's little prongs that you're going to slide into these. Just remove them and replace them with a new one, and it'll be fixed. So what happens is that you're going to get error fault code on here of a 910 or a 9, whichever one, right? And this is going to slide back and forth, and it's going to keep going back and forth, right? Unfortunately, you can't fix that with just unplugging from the back or going to the panel. I had to discover this on my own, and there's no videos out there on it. So I'm just passing the information along so you won't get frustrated. You pretty much just order this immediately and call it a day. But outside of that, it'll reset itself, and then it'll come back on like it's showing here, and you won't get that code anymore. Till the next time.